Welcome to Learn English Learning 2023. The perfect place to easily learn and improve English. This lesson is divided into 3 steps. Listen and focus, listen and repeat, and answer the questions. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss anything. Let us start. Rainy days. Rainy days are lovely. When it rains, I feel happy. Raindrops fall from the sky, and I like to catch them on my tongue. It tastes clean and fresh. On a rainy day, I stay indoors with my family. We play board games, read books, and tell stories. The sound of rain tapping on our roof is soothing. Sometimes, I wear my colorful raincoat and boots. I jump into puddles, making big splashes. It's so much fun. Rain helps the plants grow. The trees and flowers look fresh and green after a good rain. I like to watch the raindrops hanging from leaves, like shiny jewels. At night, I listen to the rain as I fall asleep. The gentle pitter-patter is like a lullaby that helps me dream sweet dreams. I love rainy days because they make everything clean and happy. They bring our family together, and I get to play and have fun. Rainy days are the best. Questions and answers. What do children often do on a rainy day? A. Stay inside and read books. B. Play outside in the sun. C. Catch raindrops with their tongues. D. Go to the beach. How does the essay describe a rainy day? A. Boring and dull. B. Exciting and full of possibilities. C. Scary and dangerous. D. No different from any other day. What are some activities mentioned in the essay for a rainy day? A. Building sandcastles. B. Puddle jumping and board games. C. Playing soccer in the park. D. Flying kites. What are children ready for on a rainy day? A. Picnic. B. Swimming in the pool. C. Splashing in puddles with raincoats and boots. D. Watching TV all day. What can you see on leaves during a rainy day? A. Snowflakes. B. Glistening raindrops. C. Autumn colors. D. Sunshine.